Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we will discuss a new feature within the Progress Payment Edit View, Subcontractor Earnings field. When payments are entered in FOWs, such as refunds or the transfer of funds between obligations, the nightly FOWs download imports the corresponding invoices into RMS. Because these transactions originate in FOWs, it is necessary to update the activity amounts and subcontractor deductions in RMS to ensure that future payments correctly reflect the remaining balances for the affected invoices. Even in cases where one invoice withdraws the full amount from an obligation and another deposits it into a new one, both invoices must be balanced to accurately carry forward the previous amounts from the original payment to the new payment. To demonstrate balancing payments downloaded from FOWs, we will begin in the Progress Payments module starting on invoice number 2. Please note that balancing payments downloaded from FOWs involves a two-step process that begins with the smallest affected invoice and progresses sequentially to the largest. RMS will display that this payment is marked complete, but the earnings this period do not match the earnings by obligations. The allowed activities and additional earnings will be editable to allow for correction accordingly. If we take a look at the Subcontractor Earnings tab, we can see that there are no subcontractors listed, amounts subcontracted or subcontractor earnings deducted by Contractor, total to date. The Sync button at the top will attempt to synchronize current subcontractor payment history with previous invoices. As we can see, the subcontractor earnings information has been successfully updated, and we can proceed to finish balancing this invoice in the Allowed Activity Earnings tab. Click the Resync Activities button to repopulate previous activities and adjust the activity amounts, ensuring the total earnings for this period align with the total earnings recorded in FOWs for the contract. Additional note, if a synchronization is attempted on an invoice whose preceding invoice is also out of sync, the routine will first allow synchronization of the preceding invoice. Once that is complete and control returns to the original invoice, another synchronization attempt can be made, provided the obligations remain unbalanced.